Okay, there's a company called Snapsheet. They actually work for State Farm Insurance. Now, the vehicle that is in question of being totaled out, State Farm has already verified they are totaling the vehicle out. It's a done deal. They're totaling it. Now, Snapsheet is telling me that the owner refuses to total the car out, which is a lie. So I've already talked to her. She actually came to my shop to get all her stuff out of the vehicle. Yeah, so what we're going to do now, they sent me an email. Let me go ahead and just read you what's going on here. It says, Southwest Paint Body Collision. I did speak with State Farm, and they stated that the vehicle owner refuses the total loss process at this time, and we do need the photos sent over to complete our process. We are reaching out in order to obtain information and photos regarding Gene Hay vehicle. We would like to complete the estimate to record for our services rendered on the 2014 Honda CRV as quickly as possible. Please visit our repair facility portal. Blah, 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 this, that, and the fuck off other. So, what this company's trying to do is to get this estimate in their hands so they can charge State Farm their service fee to say it's totaled out. That's what they're doing. When State Farm has already said the vehicle's totaled out, which I don't think it is. I don't think the car is totaled out. I think it's bullshit. I think that the car can be fixed and the owner loves her car, but we're not going any further. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to call this company called Snapsheet and deal with them, my friend Pete's fuck off way.
Thank you for calling the appraisal support line. Your call may be recorded for quality or training.
Well, good. Good.
Let's get you to the right team. Are you a vehicle owner, a repair facility, an adjuster, or someone else?
Repair facility.
What are the first 8 of your claim number?
I don't have claim number. Is.
Are you calling us about the 2023 Volkswagen ID.4?
No.
Okay, I'm transferring you over to a team member now.
Good.
Keep your claim number handy for
Yeah, you do that.
The estimated wait time is 3 minutes or
Motherfucker.
Continue to hold, and an agent will be with you shortly.
I bet he will. So what we got here is a total sham and a total scam of one corporation trying to make money off the other corporation while they're screwing the little guy. That's basically what it is. Me, the little guy, them, the middleman, and State Farm, the trillionaires. The middleman is saying, fuck you, we still want our estimate to finish our job. I ain't giving you an estimate. Tough shit. State Farm already verified the car's totaled. And that's all I can say. I've already sent them my invoice.
Bitch, bastard, bitch, bastard, bastard, bastard,
am sick and tired of dealing with these scumbags. That's what they are. Insurance companies are not on your side. If you're a shop owner, forget it. This is my suggestion if you're a shop owner. Stick to your guns, set your foot in concrete, and do not move it. Tell them to fuck off, and this is the way it is. It's your shop, I own the place, and this is what's going to happen. And if you don't like it, fuck you. Plain and simple. I will say one more thing. I am a customer-related person. That means I'm on the customer side. I fight my tooth and nail, okay, teeth and nail, to get what the customer deserves from. Here we go. Yeah, how you doing today? This is Pete, Southwest Paint and Body, Collision Repair, Moab, Utah. How are you doing? The fucking bitch hung up on me! What the fuck? I don't fucking believe this. Unfucking believable. Hello? What the hell's going on? Son of a bitch!
Thank you for calling in.
Fucking bitch.
Your call may be recorded for quality or training purposes. Para español de
Bitch, you see this shit?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand that. I'll get you the right people. Are you a vehicle owner, a repair facility, an adjuster?
Repair facility.
What is the first name of your claim number?
0677J862R01. Fucking believe this. Fucking hung up on me. Fuckers.
Okay, I'm transferring you over to the team member now.
Good.
Please keep your claim number handy for confirmation.
Good.
Thank you for calling. Your call is very important to us and will be answered in the order it was received.
So there again is proof that jackwads hung up on me for no reason. All I said is the name of my shop and click, goodbye. Unbelievable of what kind of action's going on with insurance companies and small businesses such as mine. When you see one thing and do another, it's a different story. Blinking your eyes like that and wondering what the fuck's going on, we're like butterflies floating in the wind. We don't know if they're gonna pay. We don't know if they're gonna cancel. We don't know what the fuck they're gonna do.
Shitbanger, 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 shitbag. Shit ass, shit ass, shit ass, shit, shit. Scrote, schlong, schlong, schlong. Shitbanger, shit dick, shit face, shit head, shit hole, shit house. Shit cunt. Shit, shit, shit. Shit brain, shit banger, shit bag. Shit, 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 shit. Shit, 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 shit.
Hello, this is Andy. May I have your claim number, please?
Yeah, claim number 0677, J is in jack off, 862R is in ridiculous, 01.
Keys is for a 2014 Honda.
Yeah, it is.
Yerby. Are you calling from the body shop or are you the owner?
I am the owner of the body shop.
Okay, what's your name, please?
My name is Pete. Southwest Paint and Body.
How can I help you?
Okay, 2 weeks ago when the vehicle showed up to my shop, I was writing an estimate. The State Farm Insurance Company called me and said, we are totaling this vehicle out. The owner is aware that the vehicle is being towed out. She's already under the impression and understanding that her vehicle is totaled out. You guys have been emailing me. You haven't called me. You haven't contacted me by phone. You've sent me 300 emails telling me how you need estimates when the insurance company, State Farm, has already verified, not one time, 2 or 3 or 4, about 10 times, that they are going to have Copart come pick the vehicle up.
Okay. Do you know when they're picking up the vehicle?
I don't know when they're picking it up. It's $98 a day storage fees, $185 teardown cost. Whenever they get here, that's when they get here. I live out in the middle of the desert.
Okay, so I will add this here, and we should be following up with the adjuster to get...
So let me ask you a question. Why do you keep sending me stuff in the email when State Farm has already rejected the repairs of the vehicle? Why are you doing this?
So we didn't know this information. We didn't have this information. We just have the vehicle, the plane here, and we were advised to speak with the shop or with the customer to get the photos. We didn't know the vehicle is a total loss.
Well, obviously you guys knew something, because in your email, it specifically says, I did speak with State Farm and they stated that the vehicle owner refused to total loss process. When she specifically came over here on Monday morning to get all her stuff out of the vehicle. So I don't know where...
We didn't have this information.
I don't know where the communication problem is here about this, that, and the other, and why I'm being sent emails of all this.
No. I just said we should be following up with the adjuster to get clarification on this one.
Okay, thank you very much. And if you can have State Farm call me to let me know what's going on with this, because like I said one more time, I'll go ahead and repeat myself, $98 per day storage fee. And I've already sent them, I've already given them an invoice on that and the $850 tow fee that the owner had to pay.
Okay, I will let them know.
Thank you very much. You have a beautiful day too.
Thanks.
Okay, she was nice. She acted like, oh, we didn't know. Oh gosh, first time we ever heard of bullshit. Do you see how the corporations play the little guy? Do you see how it's done? I stuck to my guns. I told him 2, 3, 4 times. That's how it is. You aren't getting shit. Blah, blah, blah.
Faster,